says drag mode has better sound to it. Get on something with it. Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good. And this is on Pocket 3. And if I get my big camera out, this little sumbitch is handy. So it sounds pretty good. Go back into sport or auto. Kind of cruise around with auto, so it sounds like the windows down. It's got a nice deeper rumble down low, what I was looking for. Up high sounds similar. Yeah, that's an auto. Cool deal. Cool deal.